This is a tutorial video on how to connect the PA system. You want to connect the microphone to the microphone stand and then connect the XLR cable to the bottom of the microphone. Once that's connected, you can come back here, turn on the power strip. That turns on the amplifier and the mixer. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. So then that's how you set up the PA system. And to turn it off, all you will need to do to shut that off, and that powers down the amplifier and the mixer. So then just disconnect the XLR cable, and that's it.